So the reflection, the first part of the 4-step cycle. This consists of the trigger scenario, the learning need, and the goal to be achieved. In the reflection, you start by describing your trigger scenario. You describe in brief the situation or the event that happened or the experience that made you realize that, you know what, there's a gap in my knowledge or my skill and I need to start a CPD activity. And it includes the learning need. So the learning need should be specific to the competency standards or the behavioral statements, not the subject of your training. For example, since my topic is on malaria, what I need to learn is on how to conduct a training on malaria, not malaria, knowing more about malaria. So I need to develop skills so that I'm able to train the staff effectively on malaria. The goal to be achieved is basically what you hope to be able to do at the end of the training session. See, I've divided the reflection into different parts. It's color-coded so that you're able to identify what part this is. So the trigger scenario. Continuous workplace training is important to remain professionally competent according to the Code of Conduct for Pharmacists. With our pharmacy located in a malaria-prone area, I realized the importance of training on malaria. Upon interaction with the staff, I realized that they lack knowledge on this topic and the pharmacology of malaria drugs, so I was prompted to conduct a training session. 2 of the reflection, learning need. I had limited knowledge of planning and conducting staff training sessions, so I needed to enhance my understanding of training methods and seek guidance from my tutor to create a training plan and finally develop the learning material for the training session. As you can see, my learning need is related to the skills I need to develop for the competency standard, as well as the behavioral statements. I need to understand training methods and seek guidance from my tutor, then finally develop the learning material for my training session, not just on training on malaria. My goal at the end of this portfolio of evidence is to train the pharmacy staff efficiently and assess the learning needs on malaria, thereby enhancing my skills to confidently train staff effectively in the future. Again, my goal is aimed at improving my skills and competence in training, not just on malaria. Reflection containing the trigger, the learning need, and the goal that I hope to achieve in this training session. So I separated it like this so that you're able to identify which part is the trigger, which part are the learning needs, and what is the goal, so you can clearly identify. 2 of your 4-step cycle consists of the planning. So the planning